Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal walks out of Tihar jail after 50 days in prison. Arvind Kejriwal walks out of Tihar jail. The Delhi Chief Minister was granted bail by a division bench of the Supreme Court, which said that these are extraordinary circumstances. Arvind Kejriwal is all set to head straight to the Chief Minister's residence, and then he's likely to address his party cadre. Tremendous enthusiasm in the Aam Aadmi Party and the opposition India bloc. Arvind Kejriwal is likely to campaign in elections in Delhi and in Punjab. Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal reached the airport to receive Arvind Kejriwal. There you see Aam Aadmi Party leaders and supporters with the flag of the Aam Aadmi Party with a picture of Arvind Kejriwal very prominently, and Sunita Kejriwal waving to the crowds after Arvind Kejriwal was released from gate number 3, interim bail till the 1st of June. And that's the first image. That's the first image that you see of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal being released from Tihar jail. He's an accused in the liquor case. Arvind Kejriwal has been given conditional bail. He's not supposed to speak about this case. He's not supposed to influence witness. He's not supposed to go to the Delhi Chief Minister's office. He's not supposed to go to Delhi's secretariat. And there, I love Arvind Kejriwal posters and banners coming up in and around the Tihar Central Jail premises and outside that area. Mahabal Mishra, of course, is an Aam Aadmi a candidate in Delhi elections, and his campaign trail, all Aam Aadmi Party leaders and supporters have reached the Tihar jail to escort Arvind Kejriwal. That was the plan. So Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal spent 50 days in prison. He's now been released. He of course has to surrender on the 2nd. On the 2nd of June, he's supposed to return to Tihar jail. His lawyers sought bail for him, but it's only an interim bail, a conditional bail that's been granted. And Shreya Chatterjee now joins us from Tihar jail. Shreya, he was likely to be released around 7 and it's happened actually dot on time. Shreya, where is the Chief Minister headed now?
Well, Gaurav, the Chief Minister will now be headed to his residence in Civil Lines.
Hello.
You can see the kind of celebratory mood outside Tihar jail once Arvind Kejriwal has stepped out. You can see Saurabh Bharadwaj constantly moderating the crowd. Huge number of people here at the Tihar premises. Aam Aadmi supporters can be seen huge numbers. These people also coming down the line, very excited that when Delhi is all slated for the Lok Sabha elections, Arvind Kejriwal comes out at that point of time. You can see how it's almost a campaign right now for Aam Aadmi Party. But Arvind Kejriwal is out from Tihar jail on interim bail and headed to his residence at Civil Lines.
Okay, so he's heading to Civil Lines. Saurabh Bharadwaj here. Initially, it was said, Shreya, Aam Aadmi Party leaders said that he's likely to address crowds either right outside jail or his residence or maybe the Aam Aadmi Party office. No clarity on that as we hear these slogans of Arvind Kejriwal, Zindabad. Shreya, we are being told that people are being asked to move.
Gaurav, what we are learning right now, that in all likelihood, Arvind Kejriwal will be addressing his supporters and the media at his residence. Here there was a plan and a stage created, but because of the roadblock at this stage, right now the plan has changed. You can see Saurav Bharadwaj constantly directing the supporters to spread across the road because Arvind Kejriwal, as planned, is not coming out from gate number 3 where the arrangements for a roadshow was made. Now he's directly headed to his residence where he will address both the media and his supporters. But huge number of supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party, that includes the Lok Sabha candidate from West Delhi, Mahaval Mishra, who's in campaign mode already and using at its best because Tihar falls in West Delhi zone. You can see the kind of arrangements that Aam Aadmi Party already made at a short time to welcome Arvind Kejriwal outside Tihar jail.
After 51 days, Arvind Kejriwal has walked out of Tihar jail on conditional bail to be able to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections. A very key moment in this election battle. Will he be able to at all impact the Lok Sabha elections in Delhi and Punjab, Haryana, where the Aam Aadmi Party has presence? How significant is this? How do things change in the next 2 weeks? We look at that very carefully. Ashutosh Mishra joins us from the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister, which is where supporters of the Aam Aadmi Party have gathered to listen to their leader who comes out of jail after 51 days. Ashutosh has also been tracking the strategy meetings inside the AAP where they're determining what to do next now that Kejriwal unexpectedly has got bail and is heading to his residence. Ashutosh, give our viewers a sense of the strategy being drawn up for Arvind Kejriwal over the next 2 weeks for the Delhi elections and what's happening at his residence at the moment.
Well, the appropriate word, Rahul, I could find at the moment is the fireworks. For the next 2-3 weeks, you'll only hear the fireworks from Arvind Kejriwal. An electoral bond could be a top agenda. Remember, the court has imposed a condition that he will not talk about his case. But that was the similar case with Sanjay Singh. And so far, Sanjay Singh did not talk about his case at all. But rather, he was speaking about the case of Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal. Similarly, Arvind Kejriwal need not to speak about him, but electoral bond, Magunta Reddy, Sharad Reddy, funding too, everything that comes on the agenda, and moreover the consolidated campaign of the Aam Aadmi Party, as this party have been contested on one of the political startup in 10 years, and look at the success. And clearly this is just extraordinary situation for the Aam Aadmi Party, because this will scale up the magnitude of campaign of the Aam Aadmi Party, which was totally demoralized the day Arvind Kejriwal was arrested. There was a power booster when Sanjay Singh got bail, but what is happening, you can sense a picture what is happening. Entire road, this all being decorated to welcome Arvind Kejriwal. This is CM's residence, and the day, it's been near more than a month, he was arrested, he was in Tihar jail, and the day when he's coming back home, it is being well decorated. Few number of only supporters have been permitted here because there could be a situation. And remember the number of crowd, almost all the MLAs, candidates, Punjab Chief Minister, his wife Sunita Kejriwal, everyone they went to Tihar jail to receive Arvind Kejriwal. And it's a matter of 60 minutes that CM will be reaching here. Probably there will be one gathering. Eventually there was a plan to go to party headquarters and then address the party workers, then cadre. But clearly he will not be really in hurry. He has the days, and since he need not to go to CM secretariat, CM office, only and only full-time politics, full-time campaign.